So today's video is going to be telling you what spark plugs I use in my endeavor. This will not be a spark plug install video, but I will have one on my channel coming soon. So be sure, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you keep a check back daily, there's always something new. And I should have a spark plug video coming in a few days, so if not tomorrow. But this is going to be on what I use and why you should use them too. Now, I do make cheaper options for the Endeavor. They got the $3 plugs, the $6 plugs, but the Iridium is what it recommends and calls for. Now, these plugs is almost $9 a piece, so 10, you might as well say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's $60 worth of spark plugs. So you may want to buy the $3 ones, and you're saving money. You think you are. No, you're not. Those spark plugs don't last near as long as the Iridiums do. And when you do the spark plugs on the Endeavor, the first front ones is easy to get to. You got your core pack, you take them off. Well, the back ones is not as easy. You have to remove the intake, the throttle body, and you have to take all it off, replace the gasket underneath of it, throttle body gasket, and an EGR valve gasket too. Now, if you put them cheap plugs in there, and plugs is going to burn out over so many thousand miles. These probably will last you 80,000 to 100,000 miles. The other plugs is not going to do that. You might as well get ready to take your intake back off, and it probably seem like you just did it yesterday if you go with the cheaper ones. So go with the Iridiums. The NGK is what I like. The factory ones in this is probably a Delson, I think. I think that's what it's called. I ain't 100%. You can't find them here in my local town, so I always replace these, like on the Eclipses and the Mitsubishis and stuff, with NGKs. They do just fine. The gap for Mitsubishi Endeavor is 032, I'm pretty sure. The gap on these NGKs is 030, which that's so close to 032, I wouldn't even worry about gapping them. But you need to check them, because sometimes the gap can be a little off, and that can affect the performance and stuff. And you especially need to check them for the back intake, because you ain't going to get them back out once you put it back together without it being a pain in the butthole. Oh, I shouldn't have said that, should I? Oh, well, too late now. But the NGK part number, I might as well give it to you. That's the part number I'm using. You can order these online. I do not recommend that, because they can come damaged and cracked. You can get cracked spark plugs, and if you order them online, you might save $10. But the replacement will be hard to get. You got to wait on it. You buy these at your parts store. Replacement is just drive to your parts store and tell them you have a shitty plug, you want a replacement, and they give you a new one. That's worth the extra $10 you pay. So if you found this video helpful, drop me a like. I try not to ramble on in my videos. Check back daily, new content. And if you enjoy Mitsubishi Endeavor videos, let me know. I want to have one on restoring the headlights. Once again, I clear coated these headlights about 4 years ago, and they starting, the UV damage is finally getting to them, and the heat. But the clear coat I used was not a good quality clear coat. It was Omni. Some people might argue Omni's a great clear coat. No, Omni has low UV protection, and it peels. And you see it on the hood of this. Personally, I don't think I use Omni no more. It's going to be DVC or Finish One, and Temco. That's the three best clear coats I've found so far. So, as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.